Which of the following behaviors of the parachute is suggested by the highlighted text? In the context of the highlighted text, the passage says that for 150 years after Garnerin's jumps, parachutes were dropped out of the skies like a box of rocks and responded like disenfranchised teenagers to any attempts on the pilot's part to steer. So it can be inferred that disenfranchised teenagers are suggested to suggest that the parachutes could not be steered. So the term disenfranchised teenagers indicates being out of control. In that context, let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, falling in a straight line. If the parachutes were falling in a straight line, the pilot would not have to steer them. So this reference doesn't go in the context of disenfranchised teenagers. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, frequently causing injury. The passage mentions that these jumps were a bad time for bodily injuries, suggesting that these jumps frequently caused injury. However, this reference to injury is not in the context of disenfranchised teenagers. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, feeling deprived. The question asks about behaviors of parachutes, and feeling deprived is not likely a behavior of parachute. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice D, being out of control. Yes, this is what is implied in the passage. The passage says that these parachutes were dropped like a box of rocks and did not respond to the pilot's attempt to steer it, and they did not respond like disenfranchised teenagers. So the term disenfranchised teenagers indicates being out of control. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice E, showing obedience. We are interested in finding the behavior of parachutes, and showing obedience is not likely a behavior of parachutes. Also, showing obedience is not a behavior of disenfranchised teenagers. The term disenfranchised teenagers indicates some sort of being out of control or being deprived or a rebellious nature. Showing obedience doesn't align with that idea. So let's eliminate this answer choice. D is the correct answer.